Yeah man, catch plate out and she do her thing. You see me?
Yeah.
I just say ackee, saltfish, breadfruit, you know, and some fruits. What do you think, Jaden? You like it?
Yes.
You like what you see?
Yes.
Okay. Hey, what's up? What's up? Blessed Sunday morning, you see me? You know, welcome back to Del Pratt family. Alright.
Hi guys.
You know, wife, you look about some breakfast for us today. Alright, actually, we're preparing. What are you making?
We are making ackee and saltfish with fried breadfruit and fruits.
Yeah.
And mint tea.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Yeah, babe, show them what I go on.
So I just finished with the ackee. So the ackee is in here, also the saltfish. So I boiled the ackee and saltfish together. So I'm going to throw it out now.
Yeah.
Into the calendar and get the ball going, right?
Yeah, and by the way, see, chicken they season up for a little more. Yeah, but a breakfast I focus on today. Yeah, so that's that so far. So I should say the ackee done cook now. So she go throw off the water and pick the saltfish and all of that jazz, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, shower set up right here. For, you know, the thing that I shall put in the ackee and thing, and that's Jaden. Yeah, you know? Yeah, so these are our stuff and thing, you know? Yeah, guys. Oi! Yeah. Alright, so she'll strain off or do our thing and a strain. Guys, that's my favorite this, you know. Simple. That's my favorite, ackee and saltfish. Whether with breadfruit, as what I do today. The breadfruit actually roast from yesterday, so shall go fry it. It already roasted, so we slice it up and shall go fry it. Right, so whether with breadfruit or dumpling and banana, yam and them thing, they ain't really matter. I just love ackee. I just mean that ackee and saltfish are my thing. You know? Me's an ackee tete, you know? But
And to get rid of all of the bone and scales and leave the flesh behind.
well, people, this week is election week in Jamaica.
It's not election week yet. Are that week yet?
Yeah, today Sunday the week start.
Oh crap, yeah.
Yeah, man. Today election.
Oh, Wednesday
This
election?
week, rather. Or Thursday, the 3rd of September. I'm an election week this week, babe. You know? Election week this week. It's good, man. So you think about Jamaica maturity now? The people's maturity in terms of election and how we look upon politics. What do you think about that?
I think it's kind of changing. The dynamic in Jamaica is changing, especially for persons who are overseas. We are still big on partisan politics.
What do you mean for people who are overseas? What do you mean?
Because them they overseas, they probably not realize what going on the ground out here.
Okay, man, I understand.
You know?
Yeah.
But we know there are still partisan politics. So the people them in Jamaica, I would say the more mature persons in age, that is, are the ones who are partisan. I myself, I am not partisan. I am Jamaican. I just require the government to work towards developing the country and to stop thinking about themselves.
Yeah.
I think for too long we have parties that think about themselves, how them are going to benefit, how them again, and the minority, which is majority of the population really. Majority are down here poor, you know. Majority are down here, you know, poor, and me think you know what I want to see in our governance. I want to see focus on agriculture, industry, where we can feed ourselves. People food expensive down here. Food expensive. Grown produce expensive.
People, she don't like taste the salt in the saltfish none. In fact, she don't like taste salt in her food none at all, you know. But personally speaking, I don't like fresh food. Yeah, that's I mean, the thing for salt.
It's salt.
You taste the salt. A saltfish.
One boil. Uno know saltfish. You know, so you can't boil saltfish one time. Uno know.
But if you...
A one boil.
I don't think so now. If you rinse, if you wash it off properly and boil it,
I think you cook
it should be adequate. And you wash it again afterwards.
I don't think it's
This good, man. As me say, a saltfish name.
So guys, this is the fruit that Adrian is going to sort out. So Adrian is a fruit man for today. So he's going to sort those out, especially that. I'm just cutting up the seasoning. So as I was saying, when I eat for substance. I don't think that you should eat and die, you should eat and live. So, me thinks that you know if you eat salt food. There's a difference between having salt in your food and eating salt food. There's a difference. So that is my rationale. Adrian is not very health conscious, as most men aren't. But then we know the typical thing in Jamaica is that our men are just not very mindful of their health, and then them end up paying the consequence. I am not that way. I think we need to eat and make sure that my food tastes good and not go kill me. And salt will kill you.
You can have a little salt. I don't know. Probably if I wash it, I don't know. Wash it, no. Or probably the pot too small. Maybe the pot too small. No, maybe the pot too small. Maybe the pot too small.
Me know
probably
people boiling saltfish 2 times. I never seen nobody boil it 1 time. Cause it's salty.
Yeah.
People may think you must go out and vote. When you can't vote, you must go exercise your right to vote. The cutting board is small, guys. So I'm going to transfer my cuttings to my little container right here.
Yeah, I can probably help you with the pot there.
This pot? No, I don't
fry
help me. I always go for stuff.
There's the people.
You always mess up the something then when him come say my help and then he blame me.
Alright, you see, me I try to be a good husband, you know. Right? Me I try to be a good husband. Or you can probably try to start put on the tea, you know.
Yeah, you can put on the tea. And you can cut up the breadfruit.
Oh, but so hard to fry on breadfruit too.
Yeah. We have to fry the breadfruit because it's not freshly roasted, it was in the fridge. Roasted and put in the fridge, so always let you fry it in that case.
Yeah guys, see the mint here? What that?
People, I love breadfruit. A long time I don't eat breadfruit, you know. So, when we see me the breadfruit, I was like...
See it here? The breadfruit here. Alright. I'll fry up that too.
This not really smell too awesome. I put a little more in it.
And by the way guys, remember to hit the like button. Alright? Please hit the like button if you like the content, alright? And subscribe. I know a lot of you guys actually watch, but a lot of you haven't subscribed as yet. You know, so do subscribe to our channel. Alright? And also importantly, we have a Patreon account.
Yes, we
linked
do.
As well. Alright? And big up Damien, our first Patreon. Alright? So our small channel, and you know the support has been overwhelming.
Yeah.
Alright?
So Patreon is a great way for you to support the channel, support what we're doing, but it's also a good way for you to communicate with us.
Yeah.
A lot of you probably have questions that you like to ask us. Patreon is actually a great way to ask us those questions, and for us to actually have one-on-one time to respond to those questions. You know, it's a far better way to get that response than the comment section. So. And we love you in the comment section, guys, and we love your positivity. Please keep on being positive in the comment section. Yeah, so we're ready, babe.
Yeah, alright. So yeah, you start. You can probably put the ackee in this.
So the ackee is going in this pot, and we're frying the breadfruit in this one. So this is our ackee pot, and we'll be putting all of our seasoning in this pot and cooking it up before we add the saltfish, and then we add our ackee afterwards. So yeah.
I'll start frying the breadfruit at the same time.
So I love the colors that I have going on here. It's kind of purposeful. I want a lot of color in it.
I'll show them.
Yeah.
You see? Think so? Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Alright. Look nice.
So I love the colors that are going on here.
Alright.
I did the starfish.
Yes, Jaden. You hungry? Then that food we look about. I don't understand you.
This, the oil getting hot right here, remember?
Fry aki.
So I did in the aki, guys.
So you put on the salt on this before or after? Or you normally do? Okay.
Pasta.
Line up the breadfruit them now, people.
Pasta. Eddie? Remember, don't ever make the tea with I don't know.
Which you don't know?
No. Don't make the tea with what's your name again?
People.
You know, some like fry over the stock and that's so dead, that's so dead, you know, easy to go and something.
The first batch of breadfruit little over well done. Little well done. They little well done, you see me? But so you go, cause me turn on the pot for at the aisle and then now give her space. And now remember. Yeah, we continue putting in people. Kind of stick together. See the ackee?
Yeah, so the ackee is finished.
I mean, I smell the minty.
Yeah.
Minty smell nice too.
So we know how them normally do it. Normally boil the water, then put the mint in and cover the pot, but we just use slightly different. Cause yeah.
I draw better the way they still, man.
Yeah.
The mint you better you boil a mint there. You have other mint where easier to draw, but that one there best you boil it.
So this is how I would normally do it. After it's done fried, then I put little salt on it. Yeah. You know?
Alright, so I'm gonna cut up them fruits then now.
Yeah. Just taste it, babe. We're gonna taste it.
Let me try.
Kinda hot still. Should I eat up all right?
Sorry.
Are you guys seeing this? Mr. make we taste you know, and him go do something for us if we eat up all right.
Alright, good man, nice. What? Papa? Jaden don't really like Papa. I must complain about it.
It's only like the ones that don't taste like skin.
Oh, you want the one them flavorful?
Yeah.
This one look like it nice, Jay. So you can try it, eh?
No.
You can try a little piece.
No.
No? Alright.
Eat anything.
Yeah, people, it's around 3 pounds of pine. Alright.
What's up for now?
Alright.
We are about to eat a lot of the fat to your body and your arm, but keep us out of Amen.
Okay guys, so we're back.
Yes.
Alright.
Food done.
Yeah man, cast plate out. and she do her thing. You see me?
Yeah.
I just say ackee sawfish, breadfruit, you know, and some fruits. What do you think, Jada? You like it?
Yes.
You like what you see?
Yes.
Okay, alright.
Let's dig in. Guys, remember, I don't know if we said it before, but remember our Patreon account. So big up to our Patreon supporters. If you guys want to get in contact with us, contacting us on Patreon is one of the best ways to actually get certain questions answered.
Yeah.
So guys, we enjoyed having you this morning. We enjoyed sharing what we did on the Sunday morning. So big up on yourself.
Yeah, people. It was fun, you know, we're gonna dig in.
So bye.
Bye.
Remember to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a video, and like our video. Give us a thumbs up, comment in the comment section, and we love you fam. Bye.
Bye.